children. How are you all? You know today is Friday and we are going to learn about a pre-maths concept. And today we are going to learn a new pre-maths concept, that is one and many. One and many. Same and different. Front and back. Thin and thick. So these are the pre-maths concepts that we are going to learn today. So let us see the first example for the pre-maths concept. Here you can see a two bowl, right? In one bowl you can see there are many pebbles. In one bowl there is only one pebble. Now who will tell me which is one and which is many? Now let us give first a name to them. This will be a bowl, A, and this will be a B. Can you tell me? So which is many and which is one? So here I can see a bowl B is one and bowl A is many. Now one means only one object and many means many objects. Now here you can see another example. Here you can see one pencil and many pencils. Can you see? Many color pencils are there, right? And here is only one color pencils. Now let us take another example. Here you can see one peg. Okay, one peg. But in this pouch you can see many pegs. In this pouch you can see many pegs. Can you see in this pouch? See, one peg and many pegs. There are many pegs, right? In this pouch. This is one peg and many pegs. Now one more example let us take. I am having, here you can see a pebble, right? Here you can see pebble. Here in this pouch you can see many pebbles and one pebble in my hand. Now which is many? This one or this one? This one is many now? No, this one is many. Can you see? There are lots of pebbles inside this, right? And in my hand it is only one pebble. So you got one and many means one object, many means many objects, like many pebbles, many chocolates, right? So this was a concept of one and many. Now let us move forward and let us learn about front and backward. What are we going to learn about? Front and backward. Now we are going to learn about front and backward. Now we'll take an example, front and backward. Can you see this is the front side where I'm standing? This is my front side. My face is here, right? When I turn, so this will be a back side. What it will be? A back side. This is front side and this is back side. Now let us take an example for that. Here you can see one book, right? I'm having one book. Now can you see the name of the book, right? Thousands words, pictures, library. Now the book, this is the front side of the book. Which side it is? Front side. Now if I turn it like that, so this will be a back side. What it will be? A back side. Now let us take another example. You can see a duster, right? You can see a duster. This is the front side of the duster. If I do it like that, turn, so this will be a back side of the duster. Now we'll take another book also. In this book, right? Front side. Can we read the book like that? Are we reading the book like that? Like that? Like that? No, nah. We read book from the front page, right? From the starting onwards. So here you can see words, make, phonics, reader. This is the book, right? This is the front side of the book, which it is front side. Now if I turn it in, so this will be a back side. This is a back side. So I hope you understand what is the concept. Now for that you can see your own self, right? Front side and back side, right? Now let us move to another concept, that is same and different. Now let us learn same and different. What is same? When two things are appropriately same, appropriately they are same, then we can call it same. But and what is difference? When two things are there but they are totally different. So we will be seeing such an example for that. Now here you can see I am having these two pens, right? White marker pen, right? So you can see, are they same? Both I can write on the board with the help of this. Both I can write now with the help of this. But this is blue color and this is red color. So both are not same. They can write, we can write with the help of this on the board, but they are not same. Now, if I'll take this pen, are they same? Are they same? See, both are green color, but I can make out the different. Where we can make out the different? Can you see the cap? Both the caps are different, right? They both are in green color, but there is some minor difference between that. Both the caps are different. Can you see? Both the caps are different. Now here you can see a strainer. Okay, so you can see both are blue in color, right? They both are same. They both are same. See, are they same now? So this object we will call same. This object we are going to call it same. Now I'll give you one more example. Here you can see two cups, right? Or tea cups, right? But here if I turn it like that, so both the tea cups are same. See, both the teacups are same. Now, how it can be a differ? Now here are teacups. This is also teacup and this is also teacup. Are they same? Are they same? No, they are different. They are different. How? In size also. See, both the size are same? No, they are different totally. Now let us take one more example for this. Here you can see a peg. Right? Here is a peg, right? Both the pegs we are using for clothes now, for drying the clothes now. But what? Are they same? No, they both are different, right? Why they are different? They are different in colors. They are different in color. Very good. Now here I am having two plates with me, right? Two plates. In this plates we eat, right? Now I'll show you this plates. Can you check this plates? Are they same? Are they same? Yes, they both are same. They both are same. Now, one more plate I will show you. Okay, here are the plates. Can you tell me both the plates are same? Are they same? No, they are different, right? They are different. Can you see the design? Both the plates are different. So I hope you understand what is same and different. Now you can see here a strainer, right? A tea strainer. But you can see this is in red in color and this is blue in color. So they both are different. Now I hope you have got the concept of what is same and different. Now let us move forward and learn about thick and thin. So now we are going to learn about thick and thin. So let us see some example of thick and thin. Now here you can see a candle, right? Now this candle we will call thick and this candle we will call thin. Now you can see this candle is broad, right? And this candle you can see it's narrow. So this is thick and this is thin. Now here you can see a tree, right? Now here you can see the portion of this is broad, right? And here you can see the portion this side is narrow. So we will call it thin and thick. Thick and thin. So now let us take few examples now. Here you can see a book, right? Now I am having two books with me. Now you can see this book, right? Why we will call this book thick? Why we are going to call this book thick? Because there are so many pages in this book, right? So we will call this book thick. Now you can see in the size also how it is, right? And in this book you can see we will call thin. What are we going to call this? Thin. Thick and thin. Now here you can see pen, right? White marker. Now this white marker is thick or thin? So this is thick and this is thin. Thick, thin. Thick, thin. Now I hope you understand what is thick and thin, right? Now here are two bottles, right? One bottle you can see Fevicol bottle. This bottle is thick and this bottle is thin. Thick and thin. So I hope the pre-maths concept of same, different, front, back, thick and thin, one and many concepts is clear.